Trying to do Pride Month aquarium nails. So I'm filling up the nail now with the glitter. See, I filled up this one already. You can see we put it into the top. Next, I'll put the oil inside of it, and then I'll go and do the rest. Okay, so I'm filling up the nail with glitter now. As you can see, I will put it in through the top right there. And see, now I just gotta add the liquid, the oil. And then next I'm gonna do these ones, which I've already got. I just need to do that one. These right here, I gotta fill with glitter. Okay, so I already put glitter and confetti inside of all of them. Let's see. Pride colors. Okay. Now all I gotta do is add the liquid and then seal up the tops.